every day you get to meet your magic match.
I can't wait for the day I'll meet my magic match. But today is your special day. Aditi will be here any moment.
Aditi! Hello, Aditi. This is Catmo, your magic match.
Hi. It's great to meet you, Catmo.
I can tell you're perfect for each other.
My pet primer says you're a 100% match. Catmo's so excited her weather-changing powers are out of control.
And you're excited too, right? Aditi, aren't you happy to meet Catmo?
I am. Catmo is amazing. But meeting someone new makes me so nervous that my words come out all wrong or don't come out at all.
Don't worry. We'll find her and clear things up. Come on. Catmo's feeling bad, so she's turning the weather bad.
Her emotions are connected to the weather.
What a great day for a swim.
Catmo, please stop. We want to talk to you.
And you're getting us all wet. I like your style, buddy.
Thanks. Catmo, Aditi wants to tell you how she feels about you.
I'm nervous. I mean bad. I meant to say that I'm nervous so my words come out bad.
It's okay. We all get nervous sometimes.
Yeah, take me for example. I get nervous by speed, height, broccoli. No, I actually like water. Catmo, stop! You're turning Petport into Wetport. I mean, Iceport. I mean, Snowport. Oh, I give up. Me too.
What? No, we can't give up. Aditi, you and Catmo are a magic match.
It's no use. When I try to tell her how I feel, my words come out all wrong. If only I could show her instead.
That's it. We'll show Catmo how you feel about being her magic match. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Catmo, look!
I'm glad you're my magic match. Now I'm glad it stopped raining.
Oh, Jordie.
Hi, Mila, Morphle, Boba. Check out my latest invention.
Wow, it looks amazing.
What'd it do? It can make anything bigger.
Can it make Boba's bubbles bigger?
Only one way to find out.
Oops! Oh no! The Magic Pet Center! Morphle, morph into a helicopter to get us out of this bubble. Now, fly over to the Magic Pet Center and pop that bubble. After the bubble pops, morph into a parachute so the building gets to the ground safely.
I sure hope he heard you.
Morphle pop bubble. Morphle parachute. Danger all done.
Here
are under arrest. You have the right to remain giant. Any bubbles you make can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Whoa.
Oh no! Everything's in bubbles. Morphle, morph into a superhero.
Morphle morph!
Now, hold still.
Mega Morphle!
There he is. We're here to help you, Boba. Now we have to take care of the other bubble buildings. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Mr. Mirror, can you show us what is happening in the mirror world?
I most certainly can, Mila.
Morphle love Mirror World! Orpha!
No, Morphle. Put him back inside me. That's awful. In the mirror world, everything is opposite of what it's like in our world. And since Morphle is very friendly, I'm afraid that Awful will want to do nothing but bad things.
Good thinking. We can't have Orphle running around the city creating a mess. Come, Morphle. Let's play with Chroma for a while.
Hello, Morphle. How are you today?
Oh, police officer, nice!
Oh, whoa! What are you doing?
Orpha!
Morphle, you can't just leave me here.
Sounds like someone's looking for you, Morphle.
There you are, Morphle. Now get me back down from here. Thanks, but I don't appreciate these kind of shenanigans.
Sure, no.
It was you who put me on the roof in the first place.
But Morphle was with us inside the whole time.
No, he put me on the roof and he was laughing about it. Like this.
Oh no! That sounds like Orphle! We need to find him.
What are you doing, Morphle?
Are you building something?
What?
Hey, what's the deal here?
This isn't fun, Morphle. But if that's Morphle, who's that?
Orpha!
Who's winning?
And who's the real Morphle?
We need to make sure Orphle can't pretend to be Morphle anymore. Chroma, paint Orphle green.
Orpha green?
I hope we've seen the last of Orphle. Morphle, this is Graph.
Hello, Graph.
As you can see, Graph can make things float.
Wow, floaty. I'm okay.
Don't worry, Grab. This is the Magic Pet Book. It shows where magic pets come from.
Did you hear that? She said that book's where magic pets come from. Let's steal it. Hello! We'd like to buy some magic pet treats.
But you don't have any magic pets.
We Feed them to our dog.
You don't have a dog either.
We just want some, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Huh? That was strange.
Gum!
Winston and the bandits took it. Grav, you stay here. Morphle and I will get it back. We have to find that book. Look for its magical glow. It's too bright to see the lights from the book. I know how we could find it. We'll need Catmo's help to change the weather. Catmo, this is an emergency. Can you make the biggest and darkest clouds you've ever made?
Thanks, Catmo!
Oh, don't be afraid, Grav. We need it to be dark so we can see the light coming out of the magic pet book. There, I see the lights from the book. Let's get there fast. Let's go! How does it work?
Give back back!
No, it's where magic pets come from.
Why don't you just have this magic pet?
Be careful with him.
Why? What's he going to do?
Huh? This. Get that book!
Get that pet!
Morphle, morph into a lasso! We've got you, Grav.
I've got it! No!
Great work, you two. We've got the book back. We should probably help them down.
We don't want your help.
We don't? I mean, we don't.
Suit yourselves.
Morphle too hot to eat.
Me too. Let's go inside and cool down. We've got a better idea. Hi, Eloisa. Hi, Slushy Seal. Slushy Seal, please make some Juicy Pops. Yeah! Thanks! These are so refreshing.
Morphle-like.
You're not too hot, are you?
No, we're nice and cool.
Yeah, got juice pops.
Oh, I wish the Magic Pet Center was a great big juice pop so we could cool down too.
You got it.
No, I was kidding.
You're welcome. No, wait! Come on, let's go and cool down the whole town. This can't get any worse. Actually, it can. Look!
Melty Morphle.
Eloisa and Slushy Seal are making everything really sticky. I don't think they realize what mess they're causing. Oh no! The Magic Pet Center is starting to melt too. We have to get Slushy Seal to turn everything back to normal.
Morphle find Slushy Seal.
Let's go! Hi, Officer Freeze. We're here to cool you down.
Whoa! But
You're welcome. Stay cool.
Wait, what?
Sorry, Officer Freeze. Eloisa and Slushy Seal think they're helping everyone. I guess they haven't noticed that everything's melting.
Uh-oh. Too sticky.
I know! Morphle! Morph into a jet plane and blast us out of here! Hey! You guys! Stop! Watch out! Morphle! Jordie! Oops. We didn't mean to do that. Being a magic match gives you great power, but you have to be careful how you use it. Otherwise, people could end up as juice pops. We're sorry. We know what to do.
Morphle the Juicy Pet!
Thanks, you two. Now let's get everything else back to normal.
Morphle!
Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh, that's better.
Sorry about the mess. There, we've done it.
Thank you.
Woohoo!
Juice pops to celebrate?
I think we've had enough juice pops for one day, Daddy.
Mila, Morphle. Caregiver Kamal called. He says he needs your help at the zoo.
Okay, Daddy. Morphle. Morph into a flying house.
Mila, Morphle, great! I need your help. Could you and Morphle help bring this penguin, camel, and monkey to their new homes in the wild?
Sure.
Great!
We can all fly in Morphle the flying house. The desert is hot and dry. It's the perfect home for a camel. Morphle, look! It's a dragon! I think he wants to come with us. I think we can find a new home for him. Right, Morphle? Yay! Uh-oh. The South Pole is the perfect home for a penguin, but it's way too cold for a dragon. Okay, let's go to another place. The rainforest is the perfect home for a monkey. Uh-oh, but I think the rainforest might be too wet for dragons. It's not easy finding the perfect home for a dragon, but we're not giving up. Look, Morphle! It's a volcano! This is a perfect place for a dragon to live. Okay, dragon. You seem very happy in your new home. Now it's time for Morphle and me to go back home. You're a magic pet. It doesn't matter where magic pets are in the world. They won't feel at home without their human companion. But I already have a magic pet, Morphle. But I know where we can find you a great human companion.
What?
At the Magic Pet Center, we'll find you a magic match in no time.
Morphle catch! Oops! Huh? Hello, would you like to play with us? Hi, I'm Jordie, and this is Mila. And this is Morphle, my magic pet. Hello!
I'm Miguel. Did you say magic pet?
Yes! Show him, Morphle.
Morphle!
Wow! That was amazing!
Morphle's my magic match, which means he's my bestest best friend.
Oh, I wish I had a magic match.
You might have one. Let's check. Let's see what the magic matchmaker says. Oh, you've got a magic match, Miguel. With Bubblebear.
Bubblebear?
Let's go find him. Ooh, I'm so excited for you. Look, Bubbles!
Miguel, meet your magic match. You're not Bubblebear. There he is. Bubblebear! Miguel!
Help! Get me out of here!
We gotta do something.
Morphle rescue! Into them!
Let's go! Whoa!
Help! I'm getting dizzy.
Morphle rescue!
Oh, thanks for rescuing us, you three.
We have to get Miguel! But there are too many bubbles! This is a job for a pterodactyl! Good job, Morphle!
Hi, Bubblebear. I think I'm your magic match.
Yay! Bubblebear, meet Miguel. Hello. Congratulations, you two.
Thank you for being my friends and finding my magic match.
Look, Morphle. Everything's lost its color. Wow! Morphle, morph into a magic paintbrush. Morphle, grass isn't blue, it's green. Oh! Great, Morphle.
Watch what you're doing. My light was green.
My light was green. White.
Uh-huh. So you're the one who has been stealing all the color from the city. You shouldn't do that. A world without color isn't fun at all.
Oh, Tiger funny!
Yeah, that is funny. Let's paint some more animals in funny colors.
Yay!
Oh, there you are, Chroma. I was looking for you. There are lots of problems in the city because you took away all the colors.
Morphle can help Chroma paint everything back to its original colors again.
Well, it seems you were right. Please, go ahead.
Wow, you solved all the problems in the city already. Morphle and Chroma make a great team together.
Yay!
You're so good at that, Morphle.
Morphle happy!
Whoa! What's happening? Those vines look angry and alive. Watch out!
Morphle,
Get us away from them!
Chubba-dow!
was close.
Mila! Morphle! Jordie! Help!
Jenny's in trouble. We have to save her. Gotcha.
Thank you.
What's happening to Pepper?
It's Shrubcub. She's sick. Whenever she sneezes, more vines grow. She's stuck on that flower and I couldn't get to her. What should we do?
When Morphle's sick, I always give him magic tea. Let's go back to the Magic Pet Center and get her some. But how are we going to get in? Morphle, we need a plant-eating creature. And better make it a big one. Yes, it's working. Whee! Shrubcub sneezing makes more and more vines grow. Mila, balcony! Got it!
Whoa, put me down!
Shrubcub can't control her powers. She's going to get herself stuck in that flower. Hi, Aunt Augustine.
Hello, Mila. I'm having a slight gardening issue.
Don't worry, we're on the way to stop those vines.
Quickly!
Morphle stuck! Morphle, morph into a dragon. Good job, Morphle. Hold on tight. No, Shrubcub.
We're too late. She's stuck.
Jenny, you can't give up. Your magic pet needs you more than ever.
Aww. Shrubcub, I'm here. I'm gonna make you better.
Everyone, pull!
Yay!
Shrubcub gonna sneeze! Give her this!
She's better!
Yes!
Do you think you can help us save the city?
Yay! Shrubcub's using her power to get rid of the vines.
Thank you all.
Magic Match Love is the best medicine in the world. This stuff's good too.
Love.
Thank you, Bubblebear. Guys, I think Animi brought the bubbles to life.
Bubble monster!
It's massive! Wow! Bubblebear, make some really big bubble fin to play with.
Huh? A giant bubble? Not in my...
Huh? Mom, watch out! Whoa, what's happening? This is getting out of control fast. Huh? Oh no! Ah! This is a bubbly catastrophe. How are we going to get down? I think we need to worry about what he's going to do next. Guys, we've got to get out of here. Quick, Morphle! Morph into something with big teeth and pop this bubble.
Okay, Mila.
Oh no. I know how we can all escape. Morphle, morph into a flying robot. Now pop this bubble. Great work, Morphle. Time to stop that bubble monster. Be gentle, Morphle. Bye.
Bye-bye, tiny bubble monster.
Yeah! Hang on, everybody. We're gonna burst your bubbles. Get
ready to make bubbles for us to land on, Bubblebear.
Let's go!
Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best.
You're welcome. Now let's get the Magic Pet Center down. Hold on, Daddy. Yes!
Phew.
Quick, Morphle! We did it!
What a bouncy, bubbly day.